What's up everybody, and welcome to another Techno Tuesdays. And today I'm going to be talking about our certification processes at IGL Coatings Australia, because it still seems to confuse some people and we're having to and fro emails. So hopefully this will shed some light for both the applicators that want to become certified with us, as well as educate our customers in what certified applicators go through and the level of certified applicators we have. With IGL Coatings Australia, everything begins with a chat. We want to talk to you and we want you to talk to us. We want to make sure that you have the same culture, the same working ethics as us, and the same personality that's going to fit along with the entire group. We are a very tightly knit team and we are all working hard to help each other grow. So the first thing is we need to have a chat. Give us a call, we will give you a call, send us an email, we will initiate that. From that chat, we're going to ask you a few questions to learn things about you. We're going to understand what kind of business you are, what kind of product you want to be certified in, where you are located, are you full-time, are you part-time, are you just starting out, what your experience level is, do you know how to do paint correction, are you going to be an industrial applicator, for example, and we don't need to talk about automotive detailing, etc. From that information, we're going to then determine the path that you need to go down, if you need any physical training first or if the online training academy is going to be sufficient. Also, some certification levels are restricted geographically. Everybody wants to be Kenzo certified, everybody wants the best IGL product, but unfortunately, it is restricted to our top tier applicators and it is geographically limited. So we can only have certain amounts of applicators in a certain area, and if that area is already saturated, we're not going to be allowing any more people to be Kenzo certified. But the good thing is there are other certification levels that you can attain that will then enable you to move forward when the opportunity arises to be Kenzo certified. Now that we have determined what your business is, you like us, we like you, we know what certification level you need to go on, we will send you the IGL Certified Applicator document, which outlines all of these things I just mentioned in much more detail. It outlines the requirements for each level of certification and its benefits. And also it has our IGL Coatings Australia Code of Conduct. This Code of Conduct is how we expect all of IGL certified applicators to conduct themselves and conduct business. That way we know they're not just going to use the best products, but they're also going to treat customers in a way that we are happy with. And guess what? That is a contractual thing that you have to sign for and meet. And if one day we find out that you're not conducting your business in an ethical manner that aligns with our values and our code of conduct, you will lose your certification, and we have removed people in the past for that. So when you book an IGL certified applicator, it's not just about the products, it's also about the customer service you can expect from them. Finally, once you have received the applicator agreement form and you filled it in, you jump onto the online training academy and you learn about everything you need to learn about to be successful using IGL's products. And that means factory tours, scientific tutorials, business tutorials, product tutorials, how to use them, frequently asked questions, how to troubleshoot them, how to deal with customers, everything. Our tutorials cover absolutely everything. For a fraction of the price that anybody else charges for a 2-day course, you can have access, unlimited access, that you can watch at the convenience of your own time at any location in the world. Meaning that if you want to learn how to apply IGL mithril on a kitchen benchtop and it is a Sunday night and you're just curious, you can jump on and watch that tutorial. It's as easy as that to be certified with IGL Coatings. The process does put some people off because it is a process, and it's only because we care about who joins us. We don't sell people certification. You cannot throw money at us and buy your certification. You have to go through the process, and that way we know everybody is going to be offering the best level of coatings, the best level of service for our end users, being you. So thank you for watching. I hope this Techno Tuesdays has been informative for both the applicators who want to join IGL as well as the customers who want to book IGL, to understand the lengths that we go to as a company to make sure you have the right applicators looking after your home, industrial equipment, car, bike, boat, whatever it is. And also the level of effort that the applicators themselves go to in educating themselves and watching the online tutorials, going through the documentation and going through the right process. Thank you for watching, and talk to you next week.